Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got a fun one for you, and this is not our normal, I guess you would say, channel content, but today we're going to talk with you about SAFEMOON. First things first, gotta say a huge shout out, thank you to Island Looper for all this information. SAFEMOON is going to the moon, and what I mean by that is, my homeboy here, Island Looper has taken basically 1,700 bucks, and in about a month, a little less than a month, he's turned that into a little over 48 grand. That's right, guys. SAFEMOON to the moon. As always, guys, this is not financial advice. In the description down below, we're going to have everything so you guys can do your own research. That's the most important thing. Please do your own research on this. But we're going to talk with you a little bit about his journey on how he has turned, like I said, about 1,700 bucks into 48 large, and that's been a little bit over a month. If you guys are new to the channel, now's a good time to hit that subscription icon. We're getting ready to show you guys our channel intro, which is going to be updated here. So this is going to be one of the last videos that we see that. But if you're new to the channel, in the upper right hand corner, please hit that subscription icon. Also comment down below. Let us know if you're holding that SAFEMOON. Comment down below. Let us know what you think about SAFEMOON. If you got it, if you don't got it, give us a thumbs up so other people can check this video out as well. But as the title of the description says, we're going to be talking with you about how Island Looper has turned, like I said, a little under 1,700 into 48 grand in a little over a month. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
As always, guys, and you're going to hear me say it a lot on this one, please do your own research. I don't want to see anybody get wrecked. But we are in the middle of what I would say probably the beginning of a bull run. Things are going crazy, and SAFEMOON protocol is going to the moon. Why do I say it's going to the moon? Well, rumor has it they're getting ready to get listed on an exchange, and when you get listed on an exchange, well, you guys know good things can happen. Well, in the description down below, you guys can check out SAFEMOON.net. You're also going to be able to check out their white paper. I'm not going to get into SAFEMOON, guys. I'm going to let you guys do your own research on that. But a couple things I wanted to talk with you guys about. My buddy here was really excited. He found SAFEMOON while researching Doge over on TikTok. What I mean by that is this guy's put in a lot of research on this. So he found out about it on TikTok, as a lot of things are going crazy right now because of that. What he did was, there's a lot of different things. You got to do some swapping and such. But how he was able to get SAFEMOON was he purchased BTC or Bitcoin on Coinbase. He sent that to Binance, was able to get BNB coin. He sent that to his Trust wallet and was able to do PancakeSwap for his SAFEMOON protocol. Now you can actually buy it, BNB, directly through the Trust wallet, and it makes it a little bit easier. But as always, guys, in the description down below, we're going to have links to this, as well as a really nice tutorial YouTube video that was put out. So this will make it a little easier. But please, guys, please, you'll hear me say it a lot. Please do your own research. Don't get wrecked. But SAFEMOON is to the moon right now, and I think it's got a little bit more room to go. Here we'll show you guys coinmarketcap.com. Homeboy here, Island Looper, got in about the 24th of March when it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros, 5, 9, I believe. You can currently see SAFEMOON at its peak was up to 0.00005014. So I mean, SAFEMOON is definitely going to the moon, and if it is getting enlisted here recently, I think that could be up as early as Wednesday or Thursday. We've got a lot more room there to go. So in the description down below, we'll have links to this. Homeboy's talked with us a lot about this, guys, but Coinbase to BTC to Binance to BNB to Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap was his first into SAFEMOON. You guys can see it here, guys. Head over to coinmarketcap.com. You guys can check out SAFEMOON. We'll have a link to that in the description below. Another thing I like here is some instant swaps. So on PancakeSwap, you can do SAFEMOON to WBNB. On Bitmart, you can do SAFEMOON to USDT. On Whitebit, you can do SAFEMOON to USDT. On PancakeSwap, you can do SAFEMOON to BUSD. We'll have to talk about those a little bit more. Now, you guys, like the video description said, 1,700 to 48 grand on SAFEMOON in less than a month. Here's our proof, guys. So Island Looper first started out with about 307 million safe coins, and you guys can kind of see here we're up to 670. When he first started, 119 bucks, $303, and this is him actually, he's buying some, you guys can see here. Then he gets up to 1.7 billion, and that's $831. Let's get a little bit farther here, guys. He jumps it up to 3.6 billion SafeCoin. He's in for, like I said, a little under 1,600, all said and done. He is a little hurt because he sold his Doge to get this. But in the long run, guys, gains are going crazy here. So comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right-hand corner. But so far, dude went from, you know, not very many to 3 billion SafeCoin or SafeMoon coin, 3.67. And one of the nice things is you do start to earn interest on your SafeCoin. So SafeCoin economics, 10% transaction fee occurs on every transaction fee. 5% gets burned forever. You guys know there's other projects doing that. Ethereum's working on trying to do that. 5% gets distributed proportionally among the bag holders. So SafeMoon launched with over 1 quadrillion tokens, guys. There's tons of these things. 1 trillion right out the bat. But there's the burn, all sorts of other things going on with that. So please do your own research. Check out SafeMoon.net so you can see a little bit more on that. Like I said, what he did a lot. He put in a lot of work to this. You can already see he's got 3.6 billion before he really starts earning. But Coinbase to BTC to Binance to BNB Coin to Trust Wallet to PancakeSwap. If you guys got that, we'll have a video here show you guys a link on that. Not our video, but we got another video here. Now you can see he's starting to accrue some of those transaction fees because he's a bag holder. He's up to $4,000 with 3.6 billion SafeCoins. We'll go a little bit further. Still 3.69 billion SafeCoins, and that's worth $4,997. Dude, Island Looper, man, huge shout out to you. This is my boy going back in the day. He's creating memes for this. The moon is 238,900 miles from Earth. Enjoy the ride. Hashtag SafeMoon. Rocket ship, guys. We got the charge to the moon. You guys can see it's doing that. Diamond hands. My boy, dude, he's been in the game not very long, but he's been in it for a while. Actually, we talked Bitcoin way back in the day. SafeMoon, man, he's creating memes. Check this one out. We got SafeMoon, aim small, miss small. Once again, huge shout out to Island Looper for passing this info along. We'll pass it along to the community, let you guys do what you do. But please do your own research. You'll hear me say that. We got links in the description down below. So next thing you know, homeboy's earning a little bit more SafeMoon. 3.7 billion. 34K. What? And this is from March 24th to April 20th is the day that we're doing this now. Now wait a second, guys. Boom! Boom! 48K, guys. And we're going up, up. If this thing lists and goes farther and farther, man, homeboy, man, Island Looper taking it to the roof. Thanks for passing this along, man, guys. This is nuts. So, dude did some research and everything, and he was able to find how to buy SafeMoon over on SafeMoon.net. You got to download the app. This is their trusted wallet. Now, this is where you guys really got to be careful. If you get the wrong link or something like that, you guys can lose your coins, guys. They can take everything. So, please head over to SafeMoon.net and download everything from them. Please do your own research. That's the best thing we can do. But you got to purchase that BNB coin or that BSC chain coin. Then you go to the app, the dApps, click on PancakeSwap. For iPhone users, there's a little bit more, but you got to select your currency. Then you're going to select a certain type or wallet address. Before swapping, you want to get that slippage to 11%. Set the amount that you want to purchase. Set it and forget it. Hodl strong, hodl on, guys. So you guys can see here over on SafeMoon.net, like I said, got in the description down below. You guys are going to be able to check that out. They've got their roadmap. I mean, this guy is definitely to the moon. I don't know if this is going to last or not. I do like that there's a burn, but there's you know, all sorts of other things that you guys should kind of check out as well. But not to saying we are in the middle of a bull market or the beginning of a bull market, so why can't you make some money? But in that description down below, we'll have links to everything so you can check this out. Reddit's definitely a good place so you guys can see the plan. You guys know the power of Reddit. Wall Street Bets is one of those things. They did GameStop. You guys know that. They've been working over there on Dogecoin as well. But SafeMoon, you guys will be able to see reddit.com. Our SafeMoon, there's a lot of really good community members there, you know, working on the time. It takes time to do this, but in 1 month, dude, Island Looper has went from $1,700-ish to $48,000, guys. SAFEMOON to the moon. Like I said, we don't do videos like this usually. Something to think about, something for you guys to do your own research. PancakeSwap is a place that you're definitely going to want to check that out. We showed you where you could do that direct swap. You're also going to be able to do that on whitebit.com. We'll have links to that in the description down below. You guys better, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscription icon in the upper right hand corner. You know, not this one, that one. If you like this kind of videos, comment down below. Let us know what you think. Are you swapping to other things? What have you made sick gains on? I mean, these are sick gains. You're also going to be able to do this on bitmart.com. You can do those instant swaps like we showed you. We did also talk with you guys about a video that would walk you through how to do this. We're going to send you guys over to Connor Kenny. He's got some interesting stuff over here. He walks you through everything on how to set up that wallet, how to move around. Please be careful, guys, with your links that you're using. You guys can get wrecked with this kind of stuff. But my name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. We've been talking with you guys about SAFEMOON protocol and how our buddy Island Looper, you know, started out with roughly sitting on 3.6 billion SafeCoin. And I'm sorry, I've probably been saying SafeCoin a lot. SAFEMOON. I'm just really excited about this. You guys know with our channel, we're very raw. We just love having fun. SAFEMOON, he started with 3.6 billion, little under $1,600, and now you can see his 3.7 billion is worth almost $49,000. Island Looper, man, thumbs up to you. Comment down below. Let us know what you think about this. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. We've been talking with you guys today about SAFEMOON protocol. Talked with you a little bit on where you can get it. All sorts of other stuff in between. If you guys like this video, let us know. Man, are we crazy? We might be. Are we in the middle of a bull market? I don't know. But one thing I can definitely say is SAFEMOON has taken Island Looper to the moon. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Please do your own research, guys. Thanks for your time.